Hello everyone, welcome to Selenium. Today's topic is wait conditions. Wait conditions specify the exact state an element or page must reach before Selenium continues. Instead of blindly waiting for time, Selenium waits for visibility, clickability, presence, text to be present, element to disappear. These conditions are provided through expected conditions or lambda expressions. Using the right condition is more important than the wait time itself. Commonly used wait conditions are element exist or presence of element where the element is in the DOM, visibility of element where the element is visible, element to be clickable where element is visible and enabled, text to be present, expected text appears on a button or on the screen, invisibility of element, loader or overlay disappears. Whenever we try to submit an error, there will be a progress bar on the page. So for such kind of elements, we will use invisibility of element. Here in the sample script, if you see, I am using the explicit wait with a condition. I am waiting for the element to become visible. Selenium keeps checking until the condition is met. Once the condition is satisfied, Selenium continues and sends the keys. This is how wait conditions make test reliable. So I will run the script and see whether it is working or not. If you see, first Cogmento login page is loaded, then wait condition satisfied. If you see here, it has waited for that element to be visible and it has entered the keys and wait condition satisfied. So this is how wait conditions control synchronization in Selenium automation. Never use visibility wait when you click or when you want the right condition. Suppose if I want to click on a particular button, so I should use other condition rather than using element is visible. Like example dot clickable, element to be clickable. This is such kind of conditions should be used. I will close the application.